Need to return your Spectrum Xumo Stream Box? Don't worry, it's a streamlined process. Returns are typically required for equipment rented or purchased through Spectrum. You'll generally need to return the device within 30 days of purchase or rental, or up to 90 days if you're canceling your service. Start by using the Spectrum My Account app for instant return approval. You'll receive a prepaid shipping label via email. Pack the Xumo Stream Box securely, ideally in its original packaging, along with all cables and accessories. If you no longer have the original box, don't worry, you can use any box that will keep it safe during shipping. Be sure to include your account number and a brief reason for the return. Returns are only supported within the US. International returns are not supported. Refunds usually appear on your bill within 5 to 7 business days for rentals or as store credit gift cards. Direct refunds typically take 10 to 14 days. Once you've received your prepaid shipping label, attach it securely to your package. You can then drop it off at any UPS or FedEx location, depending on the carrier specified on your label. Be sure to track your return using the tracking number provided to ensure it reaches Spectrum. It's also a good idea to take a photo of the packed device before shipping as proof of its condition. Important considerations. Ensure your device is in like-new condition to avoid potential fees. Unauthorized returns might incur charges, so always follow the official process. If you're returning a defective device, Spectrum's 1-year warranty covers free returns and replacements. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and hassle-free return of your Spectrum Xumo Stream Box. Remember to keep your tracking information handy until the refund is processed.